Picked up a GP file from a tab sharing site and ready to learn that song? This format is the gold standard for guitar tablature. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll get you playing along with these Guitar Pro tablature files in no time. Note on preparation. Make sure you have a reliable universal file opener. It's particularly effective when the GP file is only partially corrupted. My top tool is revealed here and will be highlighted later on. A GP file is a musical score and tablature file created with Guitar Pro, a leading software for musicians. It contains notation for multiple instruments, including guitar, bass, drums, and keyboards. Users create, share, and download these files to learn songs, practice instruments, and compose music. The GP file format is a proprietary binary structure designed to efficiently store complex musical information. This includes notes, timing, effects, instrument settings, and score layout. A binary format allows for a smaller file size and faster loading compared to a text-based alternative like XML, which is critical for complex scores. Most users will find that Guitar Pro developed by Arobas Music is the best tool for GP. Full control over the file's proprietary features requires a dedicated application. Windows can detect the file, but not its meaning, so proper reading requires the associated program. We're testing the system's interpretation of the file's data. Right-click the GP file and click Open With. Test Guitar Pro first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The right tool is key. When your GP file does not open, it is usually a small issue. Why is the file failing? It's not random. Here are the most common technical factors preventing your GP file from opening correctly. First, opening in Guitar Pro. Download Guitar Pro 8 from guitarpro.com and open the GP file using File then Open. The full score displays with notation and tablature views simultaneously. Use the playback controls to hear the arrangement and the slowdown feature to practice difficult passages at reduced tempo without pitch change. Next, free alternatives. Open GP files in Tux Guitar, a free open source alternative supporting most Guitar Pro versions. Download from Tux Guitar app and use File then Open. While some advanced effects may not render perfectly the core notation, tablature and playback work well for learning songs without purchasing Guitar Pro. Finally, exporting and printing. Export GP files to PDF MIDI music XML or audio formats using File then Export in Guitar Pro. PDF preserves the printed score layout for sheet music printing. Music XML enables transfer to other notation software like MuseScore or Sibelius for further editing while preserving notation accuracy and structural elements. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.